That's right. Yes, sir.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I get in? Cool. You jumping?
I'm on my way up here.
They charging that lithium.
Okay.
Let me cut some shit off here.
Cool. So what's your name and what else in here real quick, man?
Chris, I got a Class AB 1200 pushing 2 Type R12s that are discontinued.
Okay. Nice.
And I think the wiring's been gathered throughout the years. The head unit come out of the trash, the crossover come out of the trash.
Okay.
Like this is as budget as you're gonna get.
Budgeted build ever. All right. And you say what do you think you're doing the meter? 138, 140?
134 at the windshield
Okay.
with what's in here.
Yep.
Take you to the candy shop, show you all I got. I put diamonds on your chains, unless you diamond ring. Some nigga won't back. Hated the love I seen. It's so many shit she love Vegas. The niggas who gon' pull triggers. I'm the when I
Wow. That's actually pretty good for what you got, man.
No shit, right?
Awesome, man.
I finally had to grab tennis balls between the cab and the bed because they
flexing.
kept slapping each other.
Yep. Appreciate it, man. Is this a prefab box or where'd you get it from?
No, actually, I got the box. My buddy Mike there built it, and I traded him a set of wheels for the box.
Okay.
I had the amp on loan from him, and he gave it to me for my birthday.
Nice.
So, I mean,
okay.
You can't get any more budget than what's in this truck, and to do a 134, I can't complain enough.
That's right. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Chris Young.
Chris Young. All right. You have a good day, man.
Yeah, man, you too.
Stay cool.
Try to.
Yes, sir.
Let me take you to the candy shop, show you all I got. I put diamonds on your chains, unless you diamond ring. I'm a some nigga won't back. Hated the love I seen. So many shit she love Vegas. The niggas who gon' pull triggers. I'm sorry when I met you. take you to the candy shop. Show you all I got. Take you to the candy shop. Show you all I got. I put diamonds on your chain. Unless you diamond ring. Some nigga want that. Hated a lot of the scene. It's too late. She love niggas. Them niggas who won't pull triggers.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.